One of the biggest benefits of having a bunch of sensors and having omnidirectional sensing of the new Mavic 2 Pro is that they were able to incorporate also Active Track 2.0, which you're calling Active Track 2.0 because it's a more robust tracking system. What it does is it uses 3D viewing of the surrounding environment to kind of map what it's tracking. So it provides a better idea and a better sense of the object it is tracking, not on a 2D plane, but on a 3D plane. So it allows the system or the unit itself to do better tracking of the actual subject. It also predicts the trajectory of the subject you're tracking, which allows you to go behind objects, and the Mavic will recognize those. I will do some testing with the Mavic 2 going through a route with some obstacles so that we can see how well the Mavic 2 senses the obstacles with the APAS systems and all its sensors, and it's able to continue tracking me without stopping and just avoiding the obstacles and going around them. We're gonna check Active Track 2.0 to see how it goes around obstacles. I'm gonna, have the drone track me underneath that tree. We'll see how good it does. Here we go. We're going to do a full test comparison in hovering time, both Mavic 2 fully charged and the Mavic Pro 1 fully charged as well. So we'll be doing both tests simultaneously right now. We'll have them hovering and doing a sample comparison side by side of both video and manual modes. So the Mavic 1 is already at 12% battery. It's already in low battery warning, while the Mavic 2 is at 25% battery. So I'll probably leave it until 10% battery and I'll land it. And then I'll go ahead and see how long the Mavic 2 lasts. For the time so far, it's been 20 minutes. And there we go, critical low power. And the Mavic 1 is actually going to land right now. So Mavic 1 did 20 minutes and a half of flight time, hovering flight time. I gotta say though, in stability, the Mavic 2 does definitely look like it is a lot more stable. A couple of little wind currents would come across and you could actually see the Mavic 1 moving a little bit, while the Mavic 2 is extremely stable. It just really does not move at all. The battery level for the Mavic 2 is at 12% right now, under you could say ideal conditions. Winds are like 5 knots, so it's not really gusting. It's calm. It's definitely not lab testing environment, but it's real world environment, and that's what we want to see how much it really does in hovering time. So right now it's telling me that it's going to land. It reached 10%, so the Mavic is actually landing right now on itself, and that is a total of 24 minutes of hovering time for the Mavic 2 versus 21 and a half, almost 22 for the Mavic 1.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds. Landing.